Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 19 Grove Street, Unit 2F, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. It's a second floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Got hardwood flooring, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. Living area here, good size. Make our way into the kitchen. Pantry closet there. Electric stove, refrigerator, big undermount sink, countertop and cabinet space. Got your back entrance there. Make our way down the hallway. Another entrance there as well. The bigger of the 2 bedrooms, big enough for possibly a king set. Big closet space, and then full bathroom with shower tub and vanity. Go across the hall into the other bedroom here, facing the front of the house. That entrance there as well. Also have a bathroom with a shower, no tub, and vanity. I'd like to apply for 19 Grove Street, 2F, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.